For the first time in Philippine history, a sitting vice president has been impeached by those of representatives. This comes after the lower house moved to impeach the VP, with 215 lawmakers voting in favor of the decision. PTV's Mela Lesmoras has the details.
Isinulong natin ang interes ng sambayanan, lumaban sa mga puwersa ng kadiliman, hindi umatras sa kampon ng kasamaan. Ours is a Congress that does not shy away from its responsibility to our people. We are not here to protect the powerful. We are here to serve the people, to stand for what is just, and to ensure that no one is beyond the reach of the law.
This was the message of House Speaker Martin Romualdez as the House of Representatives adjourned its session tonight. Earlier, in a historic move, the lower house impeached Vice President Sara Duterte, citing a series of grave allegations. 215 lawmakers crossing party lines voted to approve the 7 articles of impeachment, marking the first time in Philippine history that a sitting vice president faces impeachment. The move sets the stage for a Senate trial that could determine whether Duterte will be convicted or acquitted.
There is a motion to direct the Secretary General to immediately endorse to the Senate the impeachment complaint, having been filed by more than 1/3 of the membership of the House, or a total of 215 members. Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The motion is approved. The Secretary General is so directed. The session is suspended.
The impeachment complaint against Vice President Duterte revolves around 6 major allegations, which includes alleged conspiracy to assassinate the President, First Lady, and the House Speaker, malversation, bribery and corruption, unexplained wealth, involvement in extrajudicial killings, and alleged destabilization. During the plenary session, the House also elected the 11-member House Prosecution Panel, composed of Congressmen Jervil Luistro, Romeo Acop, Rog Gutierrez, Joel Chua, Jill Bongalon, Loreto Acharon, Marcelino Libanan, Arnan Panaligan, Isabel Maria Zamora, Lawrence Defensor, and Jonathan Kit Flores.
I'm honored to be selected as one of the prosecutors. I think this impeachment process is a good venue. Magandang pagkakataon ito na mailatag ang ebidensya sa impeachment complaint na ito. And it's also the perfect opportunity for the Vice President herself to be given due process.
A prayer vigil was held earlier by groups pushing for Duterte's removal. They said even before, they can truly feel already that they are about to achieve their goal.
Nagsimula na yung ating reckoning dun sa mga Duterte. Nagsimula na yung reckoning dun sa kanilang abuses sa posisyon, yung kanilang abuses sa coffers na ating bansa. So malapit na ang due date ni Sara Duterte.
You know, we can feel it. We can feel it. Our gut feel is telling us that we got it. We got it. We finally made it. You know, when the pieces of evidence are presented to the members of the Senator, it will be hard for them not to convict the Vice President.
From PTV, Mela Lesmoras, Balitang Pambansa.